Updated to iOS 26 but can't find visual intelligence? Don't worry. There may not be anything wrong with your iPhone. The feature depends on Apple Intelligence support, your device model, language, region, and how you access it. Simply installing iOS 26 doesn't guarantee that every Apple Intelligence feature will be available. First, make sure your iPhone is actually running iOS 26. Open Settings, tap General, then About, and check the iOS version. If you're not on iOS 26 yet, update your device before looking for the feature. Next, check whether your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence. Some Apple Intelligence features require compatible iPhone models, supported languages, and supported regions. If your device or language isn't currently supported, visual intelligence may not appear, even if you're running the latest version of iOS. Now try using the feature the recommended way. Open a safe screen, such as the Settings app or a demo web page, then take a screenshot by pressing the side button and volume up together. Open the screenshot preview and look for the visual intelligence option if it's available. Avoid using private screenshots that contain banking information, personal messages, medical records, or other sensitive content while testing. If you still don't see the feature, remember that Apple sometimes rolls out new Apple Intelligence features gradually. Availability can vary depending on your device, language, region, and rollout schedule, so not every eligible iPhone receives every feature at the same time. To recap, confirm you're running iOS 26. Check that your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence. Verify your language and region settings. Use a safe screenshot to test the feature. And remember that some features may arrive gradually. If everything looks correct but visual intelligence is still missing, it may simply not be available for your device or region yet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides.